In general, foods that help repair liver damage, especially fatty liver disease, include fruits, vegetables, and high fiber plants like legumes and whole grains. That said, here are some specific foods that stand out from the rest. Greens like broccoli, spinach, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These prevent fat buildup. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, tuna, and trout, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and fat levels. Dairy is high in whey protein, which may protect the liver from further damage, according to a 2011 study. Oatmeal contains the kind of healthy carbohydrates that fill you up, provide energy, and help you maintain a healthy weight. Walnuts have been shown to improve liver performance, probably because they're high in omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados are high in fiber and healthy fats, and research suggests they contain chemicals that might slow liver damage. Sunflower seeds are high in vitamin E and liver-friendly antioxidants that seem to protect the liver from further damage. Olive oil is healthier for cooking than margarine, butter, or shortening. It also has been shown to lower liver enzyme levels. Tofu contains soy protein, which reduces fat buildup that can contribute to damage. Garlic not only adds flavor to food, but studies have shown that garlic powder supplements help lower body weight. Besides these foods, there are several popular drinks that help repair or prevent liver damage. Coffee appears to lower abnormal liver enzymes in people at risk for liver diseases. Green tea, according to several studies, seems to help with fat absorption, which reduces fat accumulation in the liver. Anyone who has liver damage should, of course, restrict their alcohol consumption or avoid it altogether.